Hello. So this is going to be kind of just take you along in my day, a little vlog. We just got this GoPro which I'm recording on, and really I just want to test it out, see how I like it with doing different stuff. So sorry that I'm backing up right now out of the driveway. So I want to see how I like it, how it works. So right now I am going to meet my boyfriend Ryan. Actually, I'm gonna go pick him up and we're gonna go to lunch, and I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. My friends want me to go to the gym with them a little later, and then I'm house sitting, so I don't know. Alright, so I just got done with lunch with Ryan and his dad, and it was super fun. We just picked up some pizza and went back to their house and ate it and sat on the porch, and it was just really nice. But I'm sweating, it is so hot. My car says 102 degrees outside, so I'm dying. But I'm going to pick up my dog and then go to my parents' house and hang out with my friend Erica and my mom for a little bit. I have the day off, that's why I just like don't know what I'm gonna do, because it's very it's not usual for me to have a day where I have nothing, like I don't work or I babysit or anything like that. The only thing that I do have to do is I start house sitting this evening, so I'm gonna go over there in a little while, not too long from now, and check on the dogs and everything like that. We're probably gonna swim over there, so you'll see. It'll be fun.
I could blow some ducks out of the water. I wouldn't do that. Ducks are too defensive. Do you guys want to go on the bank, or do you want to just do it from here?
From here.
I don't think I'll do it.
Erica, you'll love it. Ready?
Oh! Oh, my ear is ringing. I couldn't plug my ear.
I should have done it for you.
No, don't shoot.
Scout!
Oh, I forgot to cover my ears.
No, you didn't.
I was like right here.
Dude, this thing's so
Oh, oh my gosh. I like
Ryan,
feel it.
kick.
That's crazy.
If you're moving like that, I'm gonna be like, freaking
No.
Oh, he flinches.
No, it doesn't kick at all.
He's a flincher.
Ready?
Okay.
Not at all. Try to keep your fingers away from it.
Yeah, shit, how do you hold it?
Just like that, or yeah.
We just woke up, so we're a little groggy. But it was really fun yesterday. We just hung out, we got to shoot a little and swim, so it was really fun. Bye.